tech, I will say, as an overhead, company cam, paint scout, and work glue, and so many other things that I think is going to be beneficial for myself, and or something that you could help me is how you guys manage your growth. What exactly do I need to run my business efficiently and simple?
How to simplify. So tech is important. What are you paying for tech you're using?
So Paint Scout, it's 99. Work glue, which is a project management, is $100. Camp, I believe because it's only myself, it's $38. Then I just got the open phone, which I think it's important as well. I'm on the trial, so I don't know how much it's gonna be after that. I think it's like around 30 something
Uh-huh.
dollars again. Yeah.
Yeah, you need those. I don't know that you should cut
Hmm.
them. We're talking about $250 in
Okay. Yeah.
overhead. The question I would have is why aren't we using them, or what can we do to get the company to the next level so that we can be utilizing all of them? So we want to lean in and grow rather than shift back, shift down, and take it easy. Instead, we want to lean into growth. And what's the next level? How can we utilize all those, and how can we help get you to the next level faster?
Okay. Thank you.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
Yeah. You guys have any thoughts or questions for Alex in this regard?
I think the biggest thing is just it all starts with you, which you're the lead, and then you're just in, I guess, like the perspective that you carry and the organization that you start with in the beginning is going to help your company the most. And then also just with, for example, my guys, I just try and make them feel like they're important to me because there's nothing better that I can do with that. And if they feel that way, they're going to do a good job for you. Your growth will be a little easier. You're going to have to spend less time working on the small stuff because that's just a time killer for me when I have to go in and do stuff that really it's not really my responsibility, but it is my responsibility.
Indeed,
Thank you.
leadership, culture, critical. Very good. Anything else for Alex? Thank you, Jim. Oh, are we good? Alex, you good for now?
Yes, I am. Thank you.
Leadership, culture, and lean into growth, buddy. Okay.